Hey guys, welcome back to the Collective Movements. Today, we're gonna be learning how to do a lazy vault, a gate vault. Gotta sit and turn, things to do while being inside the house to avoid the coronavirus. A macaco, our dash vault, a corkscrew, commonly known as a cork, our A-twist, our Webster, a reverse vault. So we're gonna be working on a wall flip today, a reverse ow. Inward side flip on a wall, in Arabian, our gets, wall fools or waffles, our gumbies, a back fool, two gainers, or moon flips, or kick the moons, or gainers. Our speed twists. You have two pieces to one line, or two lines, one piece each. So it feels really weird vlogging in front of people. Yeah. So you guys can't hear it or see it, but there's some kids up there, and they're listening to one of my YouTube tutorials. Sick. Are we out here at like some weird dam thing? A palm side flip, a ginger flip. We're going out to UCLA. I am on my way out to Colorado. A swing cast, our kip up. All right, we out here in LA. B-twist, a butterfly kick, also known as a B-kick, a speed vault. We are training today our front flips, a flyaway, a cat grab. I'm gonna go stretch. So I found this nice descent trainer. Hey, what's up TCM? This will be the last video of the year. What I would like to do on this one is basically just say thank you guys for all of the love and the support and following me along my YouTube journey to help you guys out, teach you guys stuff. Moving forward into 2021, I'm going to be still doing more tutorials, and I'm hoping to be putting out more than just one video a week. So if you have any ideas of what you would like to see on the channel for future content, comment that down below so I know what you guys want to see. I guess first things first, we started the year out with absolutely 0 subscribers. With having 0 subscribers, it was really weird to grow. It was really difficult, but we managed to get just about 250 subs. I think at the time of recording, we are currently at 236 subscribers, which I think is great. You know, infinitely higher than 0. So thank you guys for all the love and support. It really means a lot. And I'm really glad you guys like the content enough to watch it, to subscribe. And thank you to my few followers who actually comment stuff down below, because my engagement is super low. So if you guys can help me out with that, that'd be great. But anyway, moving on past that, it's gonna be interesting to see where this goes and how this develops in 2021. But nonetheless, I am excited for it. Really quick, huge shout out to my editor, Rudy. Without him, none of this would be possible. He's the guy who always puts texts on the screen everywhere. He boosts the audio, he color corrects, he cuts things together. He basically makes this whole thing go. So without Rudy, none of this would absolutely be possible. I mean, at least not to this extent. I'd be spending, I think, 8 hours a day trying to edit the footage, and I just don't have that time. So I definitely wouldn't have been nearly as consistent without him. So shout out to Rudy. Rudy, if you want to put your Instagram right here, and then he has 2 accounts on Instagram. He takes amazing photos. So he has a photography account and he has just a personal account. Rudy, feel free to link them both, but again, huge shout out to him. And I'm not really sure what I want to highlight. I mean, I guess let's show a couple of clips from our most popular videos. Hey, welcome back to the Collective Movements. Today we're going to be learning how to do a Kong. We're also going to talk about some of the most common mistakes and progressions on how to do your Kong properly and correctly. Properly and correctly. That's the same thing. Properly and correctly are the exact same thing. So you're going to start with your run. From your run, you're going to do either a backwards arm circle or a swimming motion. From there, you want to dip low enough that you are eye level to your object. You're going to pull your knees into your chest, and from there, You're gonna start reaching towards your landing after you've cleared your conch. Hey, what's up, TCM? Today, we are going to be going over our front flips. So here's a demonstration of a punch front. Stuck it like a gymnast. Here's a demonstration of a gather step front. One more time, I'm tired. That's better. Good morning, TCM. Collectively, the most requested tutorial by you guys was a back full. I've been talking about how back twisting is the same as front twisting, right? So if you, like for the corks and for the wall fulls, how I do a half, spot the floor, and then just do a front half, right? So they're basically, to me, they feel the same, a front half and a back full, because I only think of it as spot the floor, front half, okay? Hi, buddy. Yeah, we've had some good times. You know, we went to a dam jumping. All right, so we out here at like some like weird dam thing that we're looking for. I got the homies Gage and Davian.
Oh my God.
We went to LA a couple of times. You guys met TCM. All right, so today we are training with Eli, who is late, and Samjai, who was on time. Yeah, very rare occasions for free runners.
Is that Eli?
Yep. Oh, he's here. Look at this handsome late guy right here. He's so late, but he's so handsome, so it's okay. What up, homie?
Chicks look cool. You know what's cooler? Walking.
Walking.
This is gonna be really hard.
All right, so I found this nice descent trainer because after my last attempt at a descent, I realized I probably need a bit more training to do. So I just came out here to UCR and was just kind of rolling around, and I came across this, and I figured it'd be nice to just kind of have it for the vlog. So I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Hopefully it's not too blown out, and then we can do this thing together. I got the young Gage out here. What up, guys? We are just hitting a quick session. There it is. Yeah, yeah.
What's up, Collective Fam? Sam's right here. I'm the special guest again. We're playing Stick with the boys.
My name is Dylan. We're playing Stick.
Scotty, you guys already know who I am.
Let's see how it goes.
Oh my god, that was disgusting.
Woo! Nope.
Yep, definitely about to get out.
Yeah, we're out. It's time to get out.
Woo! Positivity, bro. Last try, 2 tries. Oh, positivity, bro.
I'm not out.
I think just about every TCM member is in there, or at least one of the 2, the Collective Jumps series, which I'm hoping to continue more in 2021. It'll be interesting. I'm thinking about dropping some like fitness related videos for you guys on dieting, on like weightlifting and such like that. So let me know let me know in the comments down below if that's what you want to see. And if you're trying to get educated on some weights and stuff. I'm not a professional. There are obviously people way more qualified than me. But, you know, I know enough to get me by. So, I need to get fit. You know, who knows? Maybe I can have some of my fitness guests as whatchamacallums? As guests. Fitness friends as guests. That's what I meant to say. And they can drop even more knowledge. Yay. So let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in below. We can go deep into that. Yeah, this is just a quick video. Thank you guys again for joining me. All of your support means a lot, and I'm super grateful, and I hope you guys learned something this year. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Anyway, whatever you guys decide to celebrate this time of year, if anything, I hope you guys are having a good end of the year. 2020 has been crazy, man. But with, you know, the illness and everything going on that had happened, it's definitely been a change of scenery this year. So it's definitely not the 2020 we all thought would happen. I leave you in the very capable hands of my editor. This is the end of what I'm giving him, because I don't know what else to say other than thank you, and I'm extremely grateful for everything that you guys have done. Happy Saturday. Train safe, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in 2021. Hopefully we can get some jumps in together. So, bye.